When's the last time you done this?
Last weekend.
And how long does it take roughly?
20 minutes, maybe half an hour.
Oh, John, you know what I just noticed? There's a no parking sign in front of that sign. You may have to move your car after. Come on, Mom.
Talking to me?
No, people gotta park there, but I just noticed there's a no parking sign. If you make
Oh, okay.
the crossing of the controls.
This is the end result. Almost.
Almost.
I thought it was Klepper, so it's Klepper.
Klepper, yeah.
Okay. And I take it that's where the sail goes?
Where?
The boom or the mast?
No, there's a mast step just in there.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Yeah, it would always be forward, yeah.
Oh, I got it, yeah.
Because you need space for people too. You don't want the boom hitting a guy's head, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Doesn't feel like there's a breeze going on though, so I don't know how...
I'm not.
Well, there's a little bit.
I don't have time now with everybody here, you know. I'll take it out myself sometime, maybe in Puslinch or something.
And the whole thing just fits in your closet.
Yeah, that's probably my favorite part about it. Being able to pack it up in a couple suitcases and throw it away.